So today is my speed check for the Kday, the cars I got on Kday, and I'm gonna check how fast they are going. This a little calculator, what's it think? Speedometer, I think counts in feet per second. So I will be showing that score, which shows up on here, and I will be doing each car three times unless I see something wrong, and then I'll do 4 or more times. But usually, if there's going to be 3, in order for them to be counted, they have to fit on the track. I think these all fit on the track, but they may not shoot right. I think one car I tried didn't shoot right, so it may not be counted. But yeah, so I have 15 cars right here. I'll show you each individually when they're ready for their turn. I ordered them by alphabetically, and because I'm typing it on my computer as I go to make it go a little faster. But we'll start off with this car. I showed you this in a previous video. This is a Kday color, exclusive color, 15 Dodge Challenger SRT. Okay, and that's going to get a run. Okay, get my calculator ready and begin. 379. Okay, a third time. By the way, I forgot to ask you which car you would think would win. I'll show you the camera. These are the cars. I'm picking this car right here to win. That's my guess, but it could be any of them. I haven't tried all of them yet. We'll put the camera back and we'll continue. 378. And the last run. This one's probably good on the track, or at least straightaways. 378. So the highest score was 379. And the average was 378. Okay, next car is this one. It's the 15 Dodge Charger SRT. We'll get him loaded up. This one I also showed in a new video. I think he's new for this year, but I had the international card and it did not say that he was new. Okay. Let's send him out. Let's get my calculator ready and send him on down. 377. Okay. Seems to be close to its brother, the Challenger. 376. And the last one. 375. So the top speed was 377. And we'll figure out the average here. Average is 376. Okay, the next car is the one that I chose to win. Is the 2005 Ford Mustang. So this is the new color, first edition. I noticed that this has a part right here. I think that might be the tank, and I'm not sure if it's supposed to be painted or not. That's what I noticed. And this part that bends up and bends down doesn't really stay down that well, like the X Team. But we'll see how fast he'll go. Put him in here. Get my calculator ready. And to begin. 375. Okay, next shot is, oh, that one didn't count. 374. And next one, 362. Okay, so the top speed was 375 with an average, I'll figure it out right now, average of 370. Okay, So the next one is the 65 Pontiac GTO. Okay, and we'll put them in the track here. Okay, 373. Next one, 384. And 360. So the score was all over the place. The top speed was 384 with an average of 372. And it's 372. Okay, next one I have, this one's the exclusive color from Kday. That's 66 Ford Fairlane. I think it's 66 Ford 427 Fairlane. Okay, and we'll put them in the launcher. 370. Okay, next one. 370. And the last one for this one. 399. So the top speed for this one was 399. And the average, we'll calculate that now, is 379 is the average. Okay, we'll get the next car up here, which is the 67 Chevy C10 in this blue color. They already had a black one released this year. And blue is my favorite color. And this color is pretty good in that shade. Okay, we'll begin. 379. 368. And our next shot. 367. So 379 is the top speed for this vehicle with an average of 371. Okay, the next one is the Dodge Charger Daytona. This is one of my favorite castings, and we'll load it up. See if it doesn't deflect up off the launcher. 378. And the next shot. 377. And the last shot for this one. 354. I might add another shot because I didn't like how it came out here. Kind of looked like it flipped off the track a little. 375. Okay, let's see. What was the top score? Was 378. Okay, 378. Since I charted 4 shots, I'm going to have to divide it by 4. Which is 371 is the average. Okay, so far it looks like they're all going at around the same speed. Okay, next one. Oops, I forgot to show it to you. It's the 69 Ford Torino Talladega. This was one of my favorites so far. I like the Tampa job, and it looks real nice. I like the white because it, looks kind of clean. Okay. 363. And the next shot. 351. And the last shot. 362. 362 is the top speed for this one, with an average of 358. Okay, we're on the next car, which is 71 Dodge Challenger Kday one. Okay, we'll set them up in the launcher. $372. Okay, next one. $383. And the last shot is $370. Okay, 383 was the top speed for this one, and the average is 375. And time for the next one, which is the 76 Greenwood Corvette. This one, real nice. Like this one because of the tampo job on it, and it's a nice red. Red is also one of my favorite colors. Red and blue. I think blue is my first favorite, and this is my second favorite. So, put them in the launcher. Get my calculator ready. 370. Add an time for the next shot. 399. And the next shot, or the last one, 379. So the top speed was 399, and the average is 382 is the average. Okay, the next car I have is the 96 Nissan 180SX Type X. This one, they did a real good tampo job on there. I like all the work they did. Nice white color too. Okay. $397. $396. And the last shot. 367. Okay, so the fastest shot was 397. And we'll figure out the average for this. Average is 386, or we'll round it to 387. Since it says 386.666. Okay, the next car we got on my list here is the Aston Martin DB10. This is the James Bond Spectre car. Another car that's real nice. Actually, all these cars that I'm showing you are pretty nice, because I wouldn't buy them otherwise. $393. Next shot, $432. And the final shot for this car is $431. Okay, 432 is the highest speed, and the average is 418. Okay, only 3 cars left. It's the Chevy Blazer 4x4. A nice big truck, SUV like. Okay, this one I'm not sure if it'll go through because it's a little high and the launcher may not launch it that well, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, ready? Oh, as you can see, it flew right off the track and hit the camera. Next shot. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get a score from it. It keeps hitting the camera and not going past the speedometer. Okay, 389. Oh, no score there. Ooh, 374. And if I can get a final score, 351. So I'm not sure if this is a track car, if it keeps flopping off all the time. Okay, so the highest speed it went at was 389. We'll write that down here. With an average of 371. Okay, the next one is the Porsche. Oh wait, no, not that one. Custom 69 Volkswagen Squareback. I must have took them out of order by mistake. Yeah, we'll see how fast this one can go, if it can. Okay, 479. Because before I tried this one out, it wasn't going through. And I'm not going to count that because it fell right off the track before. Yeah. Can't tell. It looked like it was off. 490. Okay, the last shot. Oh, that doesn't count. Didn't even count on the speedometer. Yeah. It lifted off before it even hit the mark. Okay, we'll go with that. You know what? Maybe I'll just add an extra shot because it seems to not be consistent. 380. Okay. We'll figure out. Let's see, the highest score. Looks like it was 490 was the highest. I'll go ahead and type that before I forget. 490 with an average score. So I had a problem with the calculator. I had to watch the video to get the scores back. But the average was 429 and the top speed was 490. If it was able to stay on the track, that's how high it was. Yeah, so that one's not really that great for the track. Next I have is the Porsche Carrera GT. This one may be good for the track, but you know, for what I was doing, it didn't work how I wanted it to. Okay, so next car, load it up. Like the paint job on this one. 356. And the next shot. Oh, that one doesn't count because it flew right off. 367. And the final shot to this one, if it doesn't fall off the track or fly off the track, 377. Okay. So 377 was the top speed with an average of average of 367. Okay, now since I got it all on my computer, I can figure out which car was the fastest. Okay, just gotta highlight everything. and sort. Okay, so first place is this custom Volkswagen Squareback, exclusive to Kmart. The second place, Aston Martin DB10. Okay, the third place is 96 Nissan. And let's see, fourth place is the 76 Greenwood Corvette. Fifth place, 66 Fairlane. Also a Kmart exclusive color. What is it? Sixth place, let's see, 15 Dodge Challenger SRT. This one. Almost got it confused with the other one. Okay. Seventh place is the brother to that one, is the 15 Dodge Charger. Okay. Let's see, where am I at now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Eighth place is 71 Dodge Challenger. This one. Ninth place is, let's see if I can get this ninth place, is the 65 Pontiac, let's see, 65 Pontiac GTO. Okay, we'll turn that off. Next place is the 67 Chevy. Keep forgetting what place I'm at, so this is the next one. Next one is the 69 Dodge Charger Daytona. And let's see. The next one is the Chevy Blazer 4x4. And the next one is the 2005 Ford Mustang. The next one, there are only 2 cars left. Let's see here. Let's see, where am I now? On here, it's hard to read. Is the Porsche Carrera. This one. And the last one, obviously, if you're paying attention, 69 Ford Torino Talladega. Okay, so, get the camera. These are the cars from first place to all the way to last place. And that's it. You can like, share, comment, subscribe, share my videos if you want, and have a nice day.